Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. You need to begin by going into Devices settings and then selecting Sound and Vibration after scrolling down. Following that, click on the Vibration section right away and adjust all of those options however you want to. You can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations by tapping on the switcher next to Vibrate Full Calls. Manage notification feedback by clicking on Notification Vibration. And lastly, enable or disable touch vibrations by tapping on the switcher next to touch feedback to enable or disable haptics for taps, keyboard, and more. When you finished, go back, then scroll down and tap on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.